Welcome to my vlog, Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers. It's raining here in Davao. Yeah, it's past 4 o'clock. Just by the City Hall. Look at the traffic condition. Rain has come. Raindrops really falling on my head. Traffic also, the traffic movement, sharing you. The rain has come. Rain is blessing. Oh, let's go. Let's get a ride. This is my day in Davao. The rain has come. Really, it's raining. I need to take a bath when I will be reaching the house. This is amazing Davao. Life is here. Mabuhay! Kamabuhay! Yeah. Wag lang yung mabuhay vlogs. Hello guys. Ano lang oh, mabuhay. So, I'm almost near the City Hall of Davao. So it's a rainy day. It's raining. This area is an area for those who are having services like manicure, like that pedicure. And usually if it's not raining, there are many persons who are here asking for notary. What's this? Notarized. We like to have notarized. They are here. They just the place for their manicure services. I'll be looking also for my favorite charcoal ice cream. Do not know if it's still available here. Okay, let's be careful. Let's cross. Okay, this is now my day in Davao City on a rainy day. Careful. Finally, the arrival to the City Hall. And I can see now my favorite charcoal ice cream. Wow. And there are many also balloons. Oh, I love this. They are still celebrating, what's this? Chinese New Year. So we support our co-Davaoeños and everyone celebrating Chinese New Year. My back is already the City Hall of Davao. Join me as I capture the episode. It's raining and I find it difficult to get nearer that area. Just a glimpse of City Hall. Double Life is here again, and I really love Davao. Let me show you the Rizal Park. So usually rallies are also being held on this area. Ah, there is massage here. Available also is How much per, ano sir, massage? 500. Okay. Live in a live in Rizal Park. Just near the City Hall of Davao. Now, Rizal is our national hero. So, amazing. Kamansang Bayani or si Pipi. Rizal's lives, works, and writing. I have been teaching this subject for many years in Southern Baptist College, CNCS, and my UM Open Learning Center. Welcome to Rizal Park of Davao. My a day in Davao City. Rizal Park. So Rizal is well known for having so many girlfriends, but only one woman he married, and that is Josephine Bracken, beautiful Irish girl rather. They don't have a child, although there are stories that Josephine Bracken got a miscarriage or nakunan siya. But the baby was not really able to be alive. Okay, perhaps you remember all the girlfriends, Ozzy San, Josephine Bracken, Rivera, Consuelo Ortiga, A-Ray, and so many other girlfriends of Ozzy San. But he is a gentleman, the real meaning of the word. Probably when Rizal is just like the contemporary practices or young ones. Rizal would have left so many panganays or eldest or firstborn child. Thank you everyone for joining me my day in Davao City. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Magandang tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, long life. I'm your guitar teacher who believes that if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. God is good all the time. Live and alive, Rizal Park, Davao City. Signing off, guitar teacher, Teacher Dean, Erlinda Dean, Basilio Rindo. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Kamabuhay years. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay, long live!